And so today I'm going to solve 2 times 2 Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to time on this, and we're going to scramble the cube like scrambled eggs. I'm even looking at it. Am I accidentally solving it? Okay, let's do it. Boom. That's a scramble to me, so let's scramble. Let's turn on the stopwatch. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, did it in 24 seconds, 84 milliseconds. Boom, proof. And there's no other cubes. No cubes. So I solved it. Proof. Proof like food. Like fluffy. Okay. And that's how I solved a Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, and bye!
Don't forget to like and comment.